Restoring a clogged or aged leach field for a tiny house septic system requires targeted, low-impact methods that respect the small lot and limited dispersal area. Begin by confirming system layout and current performance with an inspection and basic percolation testing done at different points across the dispersal area. For hydraulic restoration using low-pressure jetting, flush lines sequentially from the tank outlet and check effluent quality at the end of each run. Use only potable water and keep jets limited to pressures under 100 pounds per square inch to avoid soil structure collapse. When adding dispersal capacity on a tight site, locate the best soil in the yard by digging small test pits and place short additional trenches or shallow drip dispersal that follow the natural grade to maximize absorption while keeping trenches at least 1 foot away from foundations. If a sand filter or media filter is part of the setup, replace or rejuvenate the filter media by removing and washing media outside the dispersal zone or swapping media for engineered sand rated for secondary treatment, and maintain proper effluent distribution to avoid short-circuiting. Implement nutrient reduction upgrades where possible by adding an aerobic pretreatment unit or constructed wetland cell-sized for the tiny house flow to reduce organic and nitrogen loading before dispersal. Avoid chemical additives that promise to dissolve biomat because they can damage soil pore structure and kill beneficial microbes, which leads to faster rebound of clogging and potential contamination of groundwater. 3 common mistakes are overpressuring soil with aggressive jetting that compacts or displaces fine soils, installing dispersal too close to impervious surfaces which causes surface pooling, and relying on chemical treatments as a permanent fix. If jetting is needed, keep pressure and volume controlled and confirm results with percolation testing to ensure soil integrity is intact. For siting mistakes, move or reconfigure dispersal using short additional trenches or shallow drip to reconnect to healthy soils uphill or on better draining spots so the system can drain naturally. Instead of chemical treatments, perform mechanical removal of the clogged biomat layer where accessible and combine that with pre-treatment upgrades and routine pumping to extend system life. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and local contractors so we can find and offer Leachfield restoration services tailored to tiny house needs. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share project lessons, ask questions, and help each other plan practical, code-aware repairs.